My name is Dr. Giran. I head the Liver, Pancreas and GI Sciences Institute here at SPS Hospitals, Ludhiana. Uh, First of all, I want to wish you best of health and stay safe during these times of COVID. The main reason that we are making this video is to encourage people with liver diseases and liver and pancreatic and GI cancers to come forward and seek treatment early. It has been a scary time for everybody because of the COVID recently, but what we have noticed, particularly in Punjab, is that patients with liver cancers, people with liver cirrhosis are turning up at hospital at a very, very late stage. It's a difficult time for the families, but the liver cancers should be treated promptly and pancreatic cancer should be treated promptly. People usually present with jaundice and stay at home for a very long time, and by the time they reach the hospital, a lot of the diseases are in very advanced stages. I want to assure people that we have full division of COVID and non-COVID services, and we are fully competent in providing quality care in all GI cancers and liver and pancreatic cancers, including liver transplantation, to all the patients who would require that. Short view, COVID is affecting people with normal people's livers as well. What we have realized recently is about 30% of the patients are presenting with raised liver enzymes, and these people do not have a pre-existing liver disease. So a lot of studies now are also coming that the COVID virus itself can directly affect the liver cells, although this is a temporary change. But patients with cirrhosis, if they develop COVID, then they tend to develop liver failure very quickly. These are a special subgroup of patients whom I think who should be catered to in specialized centers. We have during the last 4 to 5 months during the COVID time, we have done over 150 or 170 nearly GI cancer, liver cancer and GI surgeries. Patients have gone home well. Only thing again I want to reiterate is that about 80% of these patients came to us in a very, very late stage. Probably because people are scared that with coronavirus all around, and as a result they are seeking treatments mainly on WhatsApp and mainly through local contacts at home, and as a result what happens is that they get suddenly very sick and then they end up in the emergency. I think we should avoid that. One main other message I want to convey to all the people with liver cirrhosis is that cadaveric transplant is almost non-existent in COVID times at present. All over South India, all the committees, they are making a very big effort to try and generate cadaveric organs for all the patients. But with COVID rampant, with most of the country's ICUs full with COVID patients, the waiting lists have gone way beyond our control now. So the live donor liver transplantation is going to be the mainstay for transplantation of liver over the period of next 1 year or so. So my request to all the gastroenterologists, my request to all the families that whose relatives they need liver transplantation, they should look very closely and very deeply into this issue, and they should actually try and prefer a live donor transplantation during this COVID times at least, because otherwise the patients, what we are finding is people on the waiting list for cadaveric transplants are getting sicker. They have been listed at all of the centers and then they suddenly land up in the ICU, and then there is still no donor ready in the family. With this, I would like to summarize. The SPS Hospitals GI and Liver Sciences Department is fully equipped to provide state-of-art holistic treatment for all GI cancers, for all liver-related problems, for all pancreatic and liver tumors. We have been doing this regularly. We have recently done transplants as well, and with good results. And so I want people to be able to take advantage of this facility. I want patients to be able to come in early rather than at a very late stage, so we can work them up and be a part of their rest of the healthy journey in their life. Thank you.